Hi, Miss Rhea. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, sir. Good day to my new employer. I'm Silveria Ramirez, 42 years old, live in Caloocan City from Philippines, single.
Do you have kids?
Yes, sir. I have two kids. I have two sons. My younger son is 13 years old and my elder son is 15 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
For sibling, I have three brothers and I'm the youngest.
Tell me about your educational background.
I'm finished of vocational courses, Testament Power, Caloocan, as a computer software.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No, I don't have working experience abroad, but I have working experience in the Philippines. My working experience in the Philippines is 4 years and 4 months. Yeah, at 10 years old and 15 years old as a nanny, housekeeping, I cook, I clean, I wash the dishes, and I go to the grocery.
How would you describe yourself?
And describe myself is good listener, fast learner, hardworking, and God-fear.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Did you undergo any kind of surgery?
Yes, sir. Cesarean section in 13 years.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to provide my better future to my family and gain to intelligent experience in the country.
Are you scared of dogs and
No,
cats?
sir.
Can you give us your idea on how will you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
Be patient and be calm.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Can you give me a sample?
Yes, sir. The wheels on the bus is round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels of the bus is round and round, all to the town.
What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, if you hire me, I promise to do my very best and I'll treat your family as my own. Thank you.